Hello and welcome to today's instructional video on how to solve the expression x squared minus 121. In this video, we will walk through a step-by-step process to simplify and solve this problem. Let's get started. Step 1 involves identifying the difference of squares in the expression x squared minus 121. Recognizing that both x squared and 121 are perfect squares, we rewrite the expression as the product of two binomials. The first term x squared is the square of x, and the second term 121 is the square of 11. Therefore, the expression x squared minus 121 can be factored into x plus 11 times x minus 11. This process simplifies the original quadratic expression by breaking it down into the multiplication of two simpler linear expressions. Step 2 involves verifying our factorization by multiplying the simplified binomials to ensure they yield the original expression. This step is crucial to confirm the accuracy of our factoring. We take the factored form x plus 11 times x minus 11, and use the distributive property to multiply these binomials. First, multiply x by x to get x squared. Next, multiply x by minus 11 to get minus 11x. Then, multiply 11 by x to get 11x. Finally, multiply 11 by minus 11 to get minus 121. Combining these terms, we have x squared minus 11x plus 11x minus 121. The terms minus 11x and 11x cancel each other out, leaving us with x squared minus 121. This confirms that our factorization is correct, and therefore x plus 11 times x minus 11 is the fully factored form of x squared minus 121. This completes the process of solving the problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.